Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sign up and make an account for the Amazon affiliate program. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You can follow this on a phone or a computer. It doesn't matter. This is really useful to go and do as you can. Then go and get affiliate links for products on Amazon. So to get started, go and open up a web browser. And what we need to do is go and search for Amazon Associates. That's what the Amazon affiliate program is called. I've just gone and searched for it. Now go and find the site. Here it is. What you can do is go to the top left and tap on the three lines and go and choose the country you want to do this for. I'm going to select United Kingdom just like so. Then what you can do is just go back to the main site and then we can press on sign up. Confirm your address is correct at the top. You can select the main contact and choose if you're this person. Now we need to go and add in where we're going to be doing the promotion. So what I'm going to do is go and get the link for my YouTube channel. Here we are on it. I'll just tap on my name and press copy link. Then what you can do is go and enter in your website. Tap on the box and you can go and press paste and press add over to the right. You could also go and add an app URL and press next. What you then need to do is go and enter in your preferred associate's ID. Next, type in what your websites or mobile apps are about. After you decide what your sites or mobile apps are about, you can go and choose what type they are. In my case, it's blog, and you can choose how you heard about them. And what we then need to do is complete the CAPTCHA. Make sure you agree to the terms of conditions, which I do, and you can then press finish at the bottom. And just like so, I've now gone and made my account. If we go and scroll down, make sure you read through the important notes, and you can go and enter in your payment and tax information as well. You can return to Amazon, make sure you come to the right region that you've got the associates account for, and then choose what you want to go and promote. Then what you can do is go and click the share button just below the image, and you can then go and get the associates link, which is the affiliate link. It's that simple. So that's basically how you can sign up and make an account for the Amazon affiliate program. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.